Okay, so this is the reveal for a Turner painting from First Art Gallery. The painting is entitled Helvoetsluys, the city of Utrecht. And Turner's one of my favorite artists, so I'm kind of excited about opening this painting up from this reproduction of the Turner. Some tape on that. Very nice.
Already you know it's nice?
I love it.
It's got plastic on it.
Fantastic.
Oh, there's no plastic on it.
It's
Oh.
so realistic. It looks, I think I like it better than the original. It's great.
Yeah.
Terrific. Fantastic.
You're so funny. Oh, wow.
Pretty cool, huh? I love it. I absolutely love it.
It is beautiful. Well, no, don't put it down. I can't see it. Hold it up above your head. There we go. That'll be beautiful
It'll
stretched.
be gorgeous in our living room. Absolutely gorgeous.
All right, I'm going to sign off.